Hi everybody, it's Connie. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to be making sour cream chicken enchiladas the easy way today, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started on these chicken enchiladas. I don't know about you guys, but there's just some days I don't feel like cooking the chicken, putting it all together. So we're going to do this the easy way. I saw a recipe that I thought, well, that's pretty clever, so I'm going to try it. It is the chicken taquitos, and I bought the chicken cheese, and they're in flour tortillas. Now you can buy the corn if you want to. And then we're going to make a yummy sauce to go over this. But first, what I'm going to do, I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to spray my baking dish. I have a 13 by 9. I'm going to spray it with some oil. And these have, I believe, 15 of the taquitos in there. But I think what I'm going to do is just maybe make 12. We do have company coming tonight, so I thought this would be a quick and easy dish to put together for company. I think I'm just going to do 12 instead of the 15 and save some for next time. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to put that out right there. And what we're going to do is pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes and kind of let them get unthawed because they've been in the freezer. And then we're going to make the yummy sour cream sauce that goes on top. Okay, so we're going to get started on our sour cream sauce while our taquitos are in the oven kind of getting softened up. But what I've done is I've opened a can of cream of chicken soup, and I have it on low to medium heat over here in my pan. And then I'm going to take, and I never really measure this, I just kind of taste it as I go, but probably about a cup of sour cream we're going to add to this mixture. And I am going to stir this together like this and let it get kind of softened and kind of soupy. And we're just going to kind of incorporate those two together. And when that happens, I'm going to add just a little bit of half and half, or today I have whole whipping cream, whole milk. So I'm just going to put a dab of this. You can actually use also chicken stock if you prefer that taste. We just kind of like ours really, really creamy and yummy. So I added about a quarter of a cup to this mixture, and we're going to mix this together and then add some seasoning to it. Okay, so what I'm going to add to this is just a little bit of cumin, just a tad here, not a whole lot. You don't want it to overpower the sauce. And just a little bit of garlic salt. And when I say little, I mean little. And I actually have some fajita seasoning that I like to use. Now you can use taco seasoning too, but we really like this fajita seasoning. Just adds a little extra flavor. And so I'm going to put a little bit of that in like this. Probably about a quarter of a teaspoon. We're going to stir this up. And I think our taquitos are just about ready to come out of the oven for this to go over. So our taquitos are out of the oven and our sauce is ready. It's ready to go. I had a little taste of it. It's fantastic. Now you can adjust those seasonings any way you want to. But here is how we're going to assemble these. And you need to keep your oven stayed on 350 because we're going to put these back in there. But once this is out, we're just going to take this sauce and we're going to pour over these taquitos. And I think I told you I was only going to use about 12, but I went ahead and used all of them. Let me grab a spatula real quick so I can get all the rest of this yummy stuff out of here. We're just going to put on top of this. And like I say, if you have got a function that you need to go to or a quick dinner, you come in and you're tired, this is the way to go. Okay, so once you've got the sauce on here, what we're going to do next is I have some mozzarella cheese. Now you can use Monterey Jack if you'd like, but we love mozzarella on our sour cream chicken enchiladas. So I'm just going to smother this with the cheese. And also keep your oven on the 350 where you just took these out of the oven, because we're going to pop these back in there probably for 20 minutes to make sure that they're all cooked through and through. I know the chicken's already cooked, but you want it really hot and bubbly and yummy. So we're going to do that. And when we come back, I'm going to show you this yummy goodness. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, our chicken enchiladas are out of the oven, and oh my goodness, they look so good. So what I'm going to do, just get one out here, put it on my plate, and then how I'm going to serve mine up, I don't know if you can see that, we're going to put some of that yummy sauce on there. I have a little bit of green onion, and we're just going to put it on there like this. I've made some guacamole, we have chips, we have salsa, and that's what we're going to have tonight for dinner. But let me taste it, see how yummy it is. And I don't know if you can see these enchiladas. They're wonderful and hot. They are so good. I hope you make them. Literally, it took less than 30 minutes to put it all together. I hope you go share the love. Tell somebody you love them. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.